Have you ever wanted to see how your project or brand colors would look across all the icons Font Awesome has to offer? Well, now you can with our new color picker. To start, head over to the search page and select Add Color. From here, you can set the primary color of your icon to any color of your choosing. It's important to note that once you choose the primary color, the secondary color will automatically match and apply to any duotone icons in your search. If you'd like the secondary color to be different, you can adjust it here. Once you're happy with your selection, exit the color picker module and voila! All the icons in Font Awesome Search will appear in your chosen colors. You can easily reset the style of your icons by opening the color picker module and selecting the Reset button. If you'd like to see what your icons would look like in a dark or light mode environment, you can easily do so by clicking the Change Background button. Note that this is only for previewing your icon color on a dark or light background. It won't adjust the actual background color around your icon. See, that was super easy, and now it's your turn to go make something awesome.